Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the MacBook Pro M3 ports and the monitor inputs, then pick adapters, USB-C to HDMI or display port. Once done, connect the primary monitor directly to a Thunderbolt 4 port so Mac OS recognizes it as main. Make sure to use a powered hub if both monitors need upstream power or if a single port will drive two displays. This reduces bandwidth bottlenecks and explains why docks often give more stable refresh rates and resolution than simple adapters. You now connect the second monitor using the remaining Thunderbolt port or the dock's dedicated output and choose high-quality cables, HDMI 2, 1 or DisplayPort 1, 4 so you can reach 4K at 60 Hz. Once connected, open System Settings and go to Displays to arrange screens, set scaling, and choose Main Display. Make sure to match refresh rate and resolution. Mismatches cause jitter or blank screens. If using a dock, check its bandwidth limits and allocate ports to the higher priority display. You finish by adjusting color profiles and night shift so both monitors look consistent, then test Windows drag and full screen apps. Once done, verify audio output if using monitor speakers. If a monitor is not detected, unplug and reconnect cables, swap ports, and reboot the MacBook. These quick steps often clear detection issues. Make sure to update Mac OS and any dock firmware if you see flicker or reduced resolution, because software fixes commonly resolve handshake and bandwidth problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.